With the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank on Friday and Signature Bank in New York over the weekend, the Biden administration is taking steps to protect and reassure customers. Last night, the Treasury Department, Federal Reserve, and Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation announced they will ensure that depositors have full access to their money today. President Biden says this is not a bailout for the banks. He also says taxpayers won't be footing the bill for these losses.
Management of these banks will be fired. If the bank is taken over by FDIC, the people running the bank should not work there anymore. Third, investors in the banks will not be protected.
When the market opened today, traders began dumping shares of bank stocks. Trading for some regional banks was temporarily halted. Even with action at the federal level, these bank failures have a lot of Americans on edge.
Many are left wondering if these are isolated incidents or this is potentially the beginning of bigger trouble ahead. Gino Vici has more.
Well, as you can imagine, financial planners and experts have been getting lots of calls about this today from customers wondering if their portfolios are going to be affected in any way.
A lot of people are nervous about how this will impact their portfolio.
Nicole Narkis, a certified financial planner with Raymond James, says her phone has been ringing this morning from clients wondering if they're affected by the recent collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank.
First part of the conversation is just really reminding them to stay calm during everything.
Over the weekend, SVB, a funding source for tech startups, and Signature Banks, popular in the legal industry, experienced what's known as a run. That's where a large number of customers withdraw funds at the same time out of fear the bank is running out of money. While Silicon Valley Bank is a private company, it is possible consumer investors have holdings in companies that bank with SVB, like Roblox, Etsy, Roku, ZipRecruiter, Pinterest, and Shopify, to name a few. However, those company stocks were stabilized after the Fed and the Biden administration gave assurances depositors will get access to their money. Again, Narkis says she understands her customers' worries. However, with investing, she says,
Be patient. The market will take care of this as it rebounds, and not to make any emotional decisions.
well, one of the things the government says it does plan to do, the Biden administration announced it will be rolling out new regulation. No word yet on how that will affect any startup funding moving forward. I'm Gino Vici, CBS News, Detroit.